Hey everyone, if you're in people analytics or HR and working with Power BI, I've got something exciting to share. Imagine having interactive, customizable org charts that make workforce planning a breeze. The org chart drag and drop custom visual by Workforce Vision combines the power of Power BI with the functionality you need to manage and visualize your organization effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. If there's a particular topic you're interested in, we've included a list of timestamps to help you quickly find what you need. Easily display your entire org structure in an intuitive, interactive view that brings clarity to even the most complex hierarchies. Simply select the visual, choose the parts of your headcount data to display, and you're all set. Using the node mini menus, it's simple to add nodes, to reflect new roles, edit nodes, to update details, move nodes to adjust hierarchies, or remove nodes to reflect changes, all with a few simple clicks. The ability to move nodes within the org chart is a game changer for organizational planning. Whether you're restructuring teams, reassigning roles, or visualizing potential changes, this feature allows you to test and refine scenarios in real time. By simply dragging and dropping nodes, you can easily adjust reporting lines and hierarchies. The visual includes more than 40 formatting options, allowing you to tailor the design to your branding and reporting scenario. For example, under Node Settings, you can easily adjust text alignment, font size, and font style. You can also customize the line color and thickness within the line settings. If you want to restrict certain functionality, such as preventing users from moving or editing nodes, you can do that directly from the formatting pane. Simply scroll to the relevant setting, toggle the feature off, and then save your report. The org chart supports both matrix reporting and profile images. Using the dotted line field, you can add secondary relationships between nodes, for example, to show temporary managers or proposed organizational changes. This field supports multiple additional connections and requires the data to be provided in JSON format. Full implementation details are available in the documentation linked below. Images are also supported. The image field accepts a base 64 encoded image in text format. Our documentation also includes step-by-step instructions on how to generate this field using Microsoft Graph, as well as how to load images from files or folders. The visual also supports dynamic calculations and conditional formatting, ideal for tasks such as calculating costs versus budgets, or comparing headcount to targets as you adjust the organization structure. This is powered by the Cumulative Fields feature. In this example, we've placed both the budget and cost fields into the cumulative section. Unlike standard fields, cumulative fields display the total value of a node plus all nodes beneath it. For instance, if a manager has a cost of 1 and their direct report also has a cost of 1, the manager's cumulative value will show as 2. This means that as you move or reassign staff, all totals automatically update in real time. Conditional formatting can then be applied through the formatting pane. It compares the two cumulative fields and colors, each node based on whether one value is higher or lower than the other. The threshold setting allows you to define a percentage range where values are considered equal, ensuring small variances don't trigger an above-below color. When using the visual for scenario planning, you can load, save, and export any changes you make. For example, if you're reviewing 3 potential organizational restructures, you can save each scenario separately and load them whenever needed. After clicking the Load and Save Changes button, you'll see a list of your previously saved scenarios. Loading one will instantly reapply all the changes from that session. If you make new adjustments, you can simply create a new save. It's quick and straightforward. Alternatively, you can achieve the same outcome using the Load and Copy Text Log options if you prefer not to use local storage. Just copy the text log, and next time you open the visual, paste it back into the load window to reapply your steps. Once you're happy with your changes and ready to share them, you can select the Export to Excel button within the visual. This generates a detailed change log that includes all chart data, along with an audit of every modification you've made. In the exported Excel file, you'll see a dedicated Changes column that clearly highlights all updates, perfect for handing over to HR Shared Services or Finance for review. If direct downloads aren't available, you can use the Copy to Excel button instead. This produces a text version of the export that you can easily paste into Excel. One great advantage of analyzing data using this visual is its ability to interact seamlessly with other visuals within your Power BI report. In this example, when you click on a node, all other visuals instantly filter to show analytics specific to that employee, allowing you to focus on the insights that matter most. By simply selecting a node, you can filter charts, tables, and key performance indicators to display information tied to that individual data point for fast, targeted analysis. This functionality unlocks significant analytical potential and ensures the visual integrates smoothly into your existing Power BI reporting experience. The visual also includes advanced search functionality. You can choose which field you want to search by, such as name, job title, or ID. Simply select the field, enter your search term, and the visual will highlight the relevant results. By default, it will highlight all exact matches, as well as up to 10 partial matches, helping you quickly locate the person or role you're looking for. A common requirement in many reports is the ability to filter the chart to show either an employee's full reporting line or a manager's team. This can be achieved directly within the report using a simple slicer. In our example report, we've added a slicer that allows you to search for an employee and instantly display only their team or reporting line. If you'd like to set this up with your own data, our documentation provides step-by-step guides for both reporting line and team-based filtering. In terms of data security, the visual is Microsoft certified, meaning it has been independently verified by Microsoft to ensure it does not access any external services or resources. For full details, you can visit our data security page linked below. For licensing information, please refer to the plans and pricing section on our Microsoft AppSource store page. In short, all users, both report authors and end users, require a license to use the visual. Every license begins with a 1-month free trial, giving you the flexibility to test the visual and cancel at any time within that trial period. If you'd like to explore the features yourself, feel free to use the sample report or try the visual with your own data before purchasing a license. And that's how easy it is to take control of your org structure with this Power BI custom visual. Whether you're planning, restructuring, or just keeping things organized, this tool has you covered. If you're ready to give it a try, download the sample from AppSource and see how it could transform your workforce planning. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.